So what we have here is limb Alox. It's a bladeless Victorinox knife. This is coming from Japan. This is roughly about some $50 US. It's the first time I'm ordering from this shop. Shipped, well, from Japan. Well packaged. There is green tea. Yes, comes with the regular type of gray box from Victorinox. So this is the Alox Red. The model number is 0.8170.20. Alox Red. So this is from Japan. And usually they have these stickers like that. Standard screwdriver, cap lifter, and wire bender. And as a stop, the red scale is actually quite nice, sort of matte finish. It's coming out nicely here in this camera. This is the longest tool that it has. Famous Victorinox scissors. Pretty much regular. Comparing it with the Compact's scissors. Let's have a look. Identical. Yes. Same spring. What's making this extra special is this new tool. So it's the first time I'm opening it and first time I'm seeing it in actual. Sharp there in this edge. You could see very aggressive type of serrations there, and this is really sharp. That's a screwdriver there, package opener. Now what I'm going to use this for from time to time is going to be sharpening pencil. That's my original intention for this. Let's have a look here. And it can cut wood. So sharpening. Of course, there's some serration patterns there. The Philippine law states that I cannot carry a knife or a blade, especially also I'm in the education sector. So I teach tertiary level education. That means I can't have be on campus. Security wise, I cannot be carrying a blade or a knife. So I think this is going to be perfect. So it has a spot for engraving. Complaints about this is that it does not have a keychain keyring holder. One other disadvantage of this is that we don't have any back tools, like the parcel hook, which I never used, or a corkscrew, like the compact. Okay, so compared to a two-layer, this is the thickness. Of course, this one's thicker by one layer, at least because of the Celador or plastic scale of the regular knife. Although I like the compact a lot, but it has a knife. And I don't want to modify the knife or blunt it or shorten it. Current wallet that I have designed myself is this. So the intention was really, I was like really waiting for this one, was to accommodate a tool. It should fit here because I have modified the cover of this to really cover that red scale. Let's see if yeah, it's a tight fit though. So it's a 93 millimeters rather than the 91 millimeter or the 84 millimeter Bantam. It doesn't have that ring again. Let me try the other part. Okay, so here it has a slot. And like that, you can push the tool out by there's a thumb slot here. So I can push out either the cards or this tool. I like it in the feel on the hand. For those times that I need to cut something, of course, the main cutting tool would be the scissors. I find myself needing this to cut packaging or bag up chips, and this one to sharpen my pencil. Screwdriver and bottle cap lifter, not so much. But basically, this is a nice Feeling tool. I love it. Take out the tool, push it out to get that out. Use the tool, put it back in, tuck in a bit, push it out a bit. So if I need my cards, just pinch them out like so. Here's my debit card. There, pay. Tuck away the tool again. That's it. This is the Slim Alox